I'm having way too much fun with this, so get ready for a crazy tutorial that's gonna blow your mind. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can use this for free. Nano Banana is by far one of the best image creators, and I'm gonna teach you just a few of the things it can do with it. So head over to aistudio.google.com and make sure you choose Nano Banana. So I started by taking a selfie and uploading it to Google AI Studio. Then I said, add studio lighting to this picture. And well, it kind of messed up. So I reprompted it by saying more dramatic lighting and change the background to a nice dark studio backdrop. Bam! You can ask it to change the lights. For example, in this case, I asked it to give me more light on the left side of my face. Then I asked it to change the position a little bit and add a blue light behind me. This was a fun one. I uploaded a picture of some shades with sunlight coming through, and I asked it to use that as the lighting source. And bam, look at that. Other fun things you can do, like add some hair, make it longer, add a beard and sunglasses. Then I uploaded this cowboy jacket and asked it to combine it. Then instead of the peace sign, I decided to make it more rock and roll. So I uploaded a hand gesture and I said change his pose to show him making the rock and roll sign with both hands like this one. Other fun things you can do, for example, change him into a Muppet. Or make this person look like he's made out of yarn. Make his arm look like it's made of lava. You can also change the perspective of the picture. In this case, I said zoom out. Then I asked it to place me in the middle of Times Square. It kind of added like 100 pounds to my body, since it didn't have a reference. So then I asked it to place me standing up and slimmer. Now things started kind of going off the rails here, so when that happens, it's much easier to start from scratch. So I started a new chat, uploaded the original picture and said place me in the middle of Times Square. Add a green jacket. Place me in front of a lake and a bonfire. Make it look like it's snowing and adapt the lighting. Put the man on the side of the road and have a tractor trailer behind him with his lights on. Well, since it's snowing, cover the man's head with the hood. I was kind of sick of the peace sign, so I changed it to a thumbs up. Then I said, take the picture from above as if shooting it from a drone. I said, go higher and make him look up to the camera. Alright, so here's another amazing use of Nano Banana. I took this picture of my dad, my grandma, and my aunt from 1943. And I said, fix this picture. Bam, it fixed those little scratches. Then I said, colorize it. It kind of did an okay job. But then I said, make it look like it was shot today. Soften my grandmother's expression. And give my dad a mischievous smile. Now have them sit on a bench in front of the Disneyland castle. Make it nighttime. Change the lighting so they're lit with a camera flash. How fun is that? Now I promised you I would tell you how you can get Nano Banana for free. If you notice, these are the tokens you have used for this chat. All you need to do if you want to keep using it is start a new chat, and then you can continue using Nano Banana. If you like this kind of tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll make some more.